how to use Yardbook for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running lawn care or landscaping business and need an easy way to manage your customer, job, invoices, and more, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Yardbook step by step, whether you are just starting out or switching from another tool. In this video, I will cover how to create your free Yardbook account, how to navigate the dashboard, how to add and manage customer information, how to create jobs and schedule work, how to send estimated invoice to client. Now, let's get started. First thing first, if you don't know what is Yardbook, then Yardbook is a free business management software designed specially for lawn care, landscaping, and service based businesses. It helps you to handle everything from tracking your customer and job schedule. It creates estimated invoices, recording payments, and it is cloud based. Super easy to use and it works on both desktop and mobile as well, making it perfect for business owner who are always on the go. Now, first thing first, let's create our Yardbook account. Now come to this website, which is yard.com, and then click on the top right corner, which is sign up for free, or you can click on this join today free. Just simply click on it, and then it will take you to this page where you have to enter email address, password, then accept privacy terms, and then solve the captcha, and then simply click on the registration. Now, after the registration, you will take to this page where you have to add your personal informations like your name, your business name, your address, city, and then you have to choose the state as well, then zip code, the country, and the phone number and the referral code if you have. Then select the time zone and click on the save button. Once you are signed up, it will take you to this dashboard of Yardbook. So first, let's understand the dashboard of Yardbook. What section what does, what dashboard does, what are the customer section is for. So let's explore. Now, in the left sidebar in Yardbook is your main navigation tool. Each tab represents a key area of your business. So let's get explore them. First, let's move to dashboard. So dashboard is a central command center. It gives you a quick summary of customer activity, invoices, estimates, and reports. You start your day by logging in to check the dashboard. You see two unpaid invoices over 30 days. You can check that too. Now let's move to customers. Now customer is this is where you add and manage all your customer, both lead, prospects, and active client as well. You get a call from John, a new customer who wants to weekly lawn mowing. You click on the customer to add that, hit the plus icon over here of add, and then you add the John's detail like name, address, and phone number. You can label him as a prospect until the job is confirmed. Now let's move to job. Here's where you create and view and manage all your scheduled job, whether they are on time services or recurring ones. You just confirm a monthly service for Lisa properties. You can click on the jobs, hit the plus button, fill in the job's description, property, address, and choose recurring schedule to repeat every 4 weeks. So you can do that into jobs section. Now let's move to estimate. This is where you create and send price estimated to potential client before works begin. Now, if you move to invoices, in the invoices you can create, manage, and track invoices. You can also set up recurring invoices and see which one are overdue. After finishing, for example, after finishing your job, you go to invoice and create a new one for the service. You can email it right from Yardbook, later mark it as a paid and whatever. Now let's move to chemicals. You can track chemical product used on the customer properties, useful for fertilization, pest control, and weed treatment services. Now let's move to equipments. Here in the equipment, you can keep a list of your equipment, trimmer, trucks, and truck maintenance schedule, and so on and so forth. Now let's move to sitemap. Sitemap is basically a full page view that gives quick access to every feature in Yardbook all in one place. It's like a full menu for power users. Now, if you see in the top right corner in the quick add, here you can add quick customer, job, task, visit, estimated invoice, literally everything from left to right in a quick way. Now, if you see, there is an option of a profile as well. Here you can add my catalog, employees and crews, setting, user profile, and if you want to log out, you can log out as well. This is a search bar. If you want to search something from here, you can search. Now, this is the dashboard, which is very useful for you. Now, let's add a customer to in our yard book. Just simply click on the customer option over here, and it will take you to the customer page. In the customer page, you have to click on this add button. Now it will open a new page where you have to put all the details related to new customer. Just simply give first name and then last name. Then if email is optional, if you want to give that, that you can enter that. Now phone number is very needy. Then if he has a business name, you can add that too. It is optional, but yeah. The prospect, this is a potential customer, and if it is not, then no. Yes, this is a potential customer. Then in the billing address, what you have to do is search. You can search address or you can add manually as well. So I will just add our first customer over here. Once all is done, just simply click on the save and your customer is added to your database. As you can see here, activities, properties, estimates, invoiced. From here, you can manage all of those things related to your customer. Now, let's create a job into Yardbook. Just simply click on the job over here and it will take you to this job page where you can add your job. Now, to add a job, over here in the top left corner, you will get to see there are three options: job, task, and visit. I will choose job because we are adding a job over here. So just simply click on it and it will take you to the new form of job where you have to give a description, property address. Then here you can schedule that are occurring and then product and service. Here you can add a service or product from your product catalog. Right now, I haven't added any product into my catalog, but yeah, let's add a description maker. Just I will, uh, this is, this description is for tutorial and then property address. Here you can search by property address. So I will add here a customer name because here you can search by customer name and address. I have added a customer earlier, so I will just simply choose my customer, then set a starting date and start time, and then just simply click on the save. If you want to add a service, you can add that too. So we have successfully added a job into our job section. As you can see here, if you see in a day, we don't see that job, but if you see in the week, because I have assigned that job tomorrow, so it will appear into week section. This is a job as we have assigned to our customer. Now let's move to estimates. Let's see. If you want to create estimate, just simply click on the estimate option over here, and it will take you to this new page where you have to add select a customer. Then here you can just simply now after that just simply click on the add an item. Then here you can type filter out the type of services and the description as well. I will choose this one, click on the add item to estimate price, and we have, I think we have successfully added that. So we have added two services over here. Now quantities are 1 price. Let's set a price to $100. Unit price is $100. Tax is 70%. And then Just simply add 7% over here, tax 2%, then it will give you the total amount of that. Now, if you want to add more item, you can that. And if you want to add a optional here, you can add that too. Right now, I don't need to add here. Now, now click on the save after filling out the information. The customer accept, you can convert it to an invoice within the clicks, or you can manually create an invoice from the invoice tab as well. Just simply click on the save over here. Now let's move to the invoice option. How you can create an invoice into your book. Just simply click on the invoice tab over here and it will open the page of invoice. Just simply click on invoice plus icon and it will give you the simple template where you can create or add items. Just simply add your service and then set a price over here, set quantity, then set a price, uh, and then set tax of your product, fill out all the details and click on the save. If you want to edit or if you want to create recurring invoice, create similar or record payment as well, you can do that. Now this is in the pinned link section, so I will just simply click on the save. Let's move to, if you want to upload a logo, you can upload from here. Now let's say if you want to add a customer detail over here, what you can do, just simply click on this select customer, then select your customer. If you want to add a different customer over here, you can do that as well. Now you can send to the email of that customer. Click on the save over here. Just simply click on it and it will give you the invoice of your. Okay, let's select the background of your invoice. This is our background. This will be our background. And from here, you can just simply download it and send it to your customer. So this is the way you can add create invoices. Now, let's say if you want to create chemical applications, you can create that too. Just simply click on the add, then follow all the necessary here. Now, property address, humidity, temperature, application date, application name, wind direction, and wind speed. You can add that too. Now, this is the application details. After filling out the application details, you will get chemical details. Now here you have to add product name, EPA, manufacturer, dilution, and a lot of other things. Now, after doing all of those things, just simply click on the save and it will save all the chemical information which you have added into this form. It will be saved into your database. Now, that's it. This is how you can use Yardbook. So, that's a full walkthrough of how to use Yardbook for your landscaping or lawn care business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tools and tips to grow your business. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me into comment section. And thanks for watching.